surname is Paule, which is spelled as Paule. Is that right, ma'am?
Yes.
You will be staying for 3 nights. Your departure will be on April 19 with breakfast included. May I request you to please further check your details on your registration form and please sign your name. Thank you, ma'am. Would you like to settle your account via MasterCard? Miss Paule, this is your room number. Your room is located on the 5th floor. Our bell attendant, Dawn,